My name is Nagraj. My name is Nagraj and my guide's sir name is Krishna Prasad sir and my school name is AMG Residential High School in Chilakalampeta, Guntur district. Today's our topic is Saving the Saviors. UNO declared in 2011 as the International Year of Forests, and the theme is Forests for People, celebrating the central role of people in the sustainable management conservation. It is our responsibility to conserve forests. Approximately one-third of the total land was covered by the forests. The forests are the storehouse of biodiversity and provide important environmental services to mankind as follows. First one is productive function. For example, food, timber and non-timber products, petroleum, etc. Second one is protective function. For example, medicines, etc. Third one is regulating function. For example, earth, lungs, etc. India contributes 1% of the world forest resources with an area of 6,90,899 square kilometers in the form of 88 national parks and 490 wildlife sanctuaries and 12 biosphere resources. At the beginning of the 20th century, about 30% of the land in India was covered by the forests. But by the end of the 20th century, the forest cover was reduced to 19.4%. The per capita forest area in India is 0.06 hectares per person. The world per capita forest area is 0.64 hectares per person. The per capita forest area in India is 0.06 hectares per person and world forest cover is 0.64 hectares per person. 9.34 million hectares of land was lost in last 10 years and 40 million hectares of land was destroyed so far. And current rate of deforestation is 10 million hectares or 94,000 square kilometers. It is quite alarming. There are two categories of threats. One is natural and second one is anthropogenic. By natural, storms, floods, pests, forest fires. Forests can cope up with this. And second one is anthropogenic. It is also called as man-made. By agricultural, timber, industries, acid rains, fire, overgrazing, or infrastructure development.
What's your name, you said?
Forest protection.
What's your
Nagraj.
name? Nagraj, what's your ambition?
My ambition is to become a scientist.
Scientist. You've done this.
Consequence.
So which scientist you want to become? Agricultural scientist? You want to become scientist? Ask
Consequence. Pollution, loss of biodiversity, soil erosion, rising net average temperature, integrated threat to indigenous people like tribal people, loss of carbon sinks. Some international organizations are national organizations trying to protect forests. First one, international organizations. UNFF, United Nations Forum on Forest. UNFF, United Nations Forum on Framework on Convention on Climate Change. United Nations Conference on Deforestation. RECD, Reducing Emission, Deforestation, and Degradation. And national organizations, NESC, National Environment Awareness Campaign. And NAP, National Afforestation Program, IFTS, Integrated Forest Protection Scheme, NGC, National Green Club. ISRO is making arrangements to launch a forestry satellite in 2013 to explore the forest areas in our country and to keep a track on it. The stage for International Year of Forest is all set up and calls upon to play a part of protection. Let us do a bit to protect the forest and even a tree in our surroundings. Vriksha Rakshita Rakshita.
Oh, Vriksha Rakshita?
Rakshita.
What do you mean that?
చెట్లే వృక్షాలను రక్షిస్తాం.